This is David Lucan with GrassFlap. Wanted to show you what the GrassFlap looks like on a Bad Boy Maverick HD. This is a 54-inch deck. So we're going to start over here with the GrassFlap itself. So this is has a plastic block-off plate. Plastic block-off plate is attached to the steel hinge plate with the deflector angle between the block-off plate and the steel hinge plate. Then we've got the spring connected over here. The cable then connects to the hinge plate itself, and there's a pin. The head of the pin goes on the same side as the spring. There is a brass bushing inside here, and then we have the cotter pin itself, which goes over here. That cotter pin gets split and folded up on both sides, makes like a W shape. Cable routing is very straightforward. We're going to come across under the deck here. And you can see the cable then is mounted to this crossbar, zip tie right to here, and then runs on over to the pedal. And if you notice that the pedal is mounted in such a way that you can still open and close the foot pan. So the pedal itself is mounted over on the bearing bracket for the deck lift assist. You simply remove this bolt, put the bracket on here, then you can attach the pedal. Pedal has the spring inside it here, got a pin, and then when you install this, you want to run these threads in, run these nuts on as far as you can onto the thread. And then, so operationally, same as all GrassFlaps, it's going to be a push and release. So let's see if I can get both of them in here one time. So foot, flap on the other side. So again, if you just push straight down, you're going to get half open. It won't go any farther. So the trick here is it's actually a push and release. So what you're going to do is down on the pedal and back up. And what it's doing is letting the spring pull it open. So very simple, easy to operate. Still gives you full availability to get in and clean under the deck by raising the foot pan. And then of course with all GrassFlaps, it'll stay fully open and fully closed without your foot on the pedal. And then if you want to feather it anywhere in between, you just use your foot to do that. So there you go, GrassFlap on a Bad Boy Maverick.